welcome to the EasyMake Web Builder training. In this training, what we're going to do is learn how to change our footer block on our website. And as we always say, you don't have to be a superhero to build a super professional looking website. You just need the right resources. So let's go ahead and start our training. So what we want to do is scroll down to where our footer block is. So here's our footer block. And say we want to change the way that our footer block looks. So what we will do is hover over the footer. We're going to go to the gear icon and we're going to go to block settings. Once we go to block settings, we're then going to be able to select more footer blocks. So let's select more footer blocks. And in here, we can choose the footer block style that we want. So let's say I want to make it a colored block and I just want to put some text on it that is centered. So I'm going to select the one that's in the middle or the second one in. We're going to change it. Now you can see our footer block has been changed. And what we want to do is come in and we're going to change our logo out by simply selecting image. We're going to swap this out. We're going to put in our superheroes. And now we have a different style for our footer block. So this has been a training on how to change the look and style of your footer block inside of EasyMake Web Builder. And as we always say, you don't have to be a superhero in order to build a super professional looking website. You just need super resources.